Hello and welcome to a brief preview video ahead of US Nonfarm Payroll due for release on Friday at the usual time of 1:30 London time. That's 7:30 over in Chicago. But in terms of the headline, it is expected at 200,000, fairly wide-ranging estimates though, the lowest being 150 and the highest 275. The previous was 175, so expected to show a slight increase from the previous reading. In terms of unemployment rate, though, that's expected to show a slight decline from 6.7% previously to 6.6% for this month, with the expectation of a relatively narrow range, just 6.5 to 6.7 on the upside. But this is the first time, importantly, that we've seen the unemployment rate from the US since the FOMC decided to drop their 6.5% unemployment rate threshold for the first Fed run rate hike. So this number, if it's a large miss or a large beat, not expected to really change the view of the first rate hike from the US, and also not really expected to change the view of tapering from the Fed, considering that the Fed seemed to remain very well on track to continue tapering every month by 10 billion. Now, in terms of recent employment readings, the ADP on Wednesday, that showed fairly inline reading, but the previous was revised up by 39,000. That did actually support equities on their way to, once again, record highs. But in terms of this month's reading, it's expected to be one of the cleanest after the weather conditions in the US over the winter period, so expected to give a better reading of the labour market activity in most recent times. But then the main points really, the headline there expected at 200,000 and the unemployment rate 6.6, and not really expecting a massive change to the labour force participation rate, which previously was 63%, but that has been pretty in focus recently. But good luck with non-farms, and thank you very much for listening.